Dear Health Secretary and Nursing Director Balakistan, Assalamu alaikum. With extremely sorry, I want to draw your kind attention through this video because I know I can't take the opportunity to meet you and express my views about Balakistan Public Service Commission Advertisement number 02/2022 regarding the posts of Principal School of Nursing and Nursing Superintendent BPS 18. If we review some of the articles of civil servant rules, there are some weaknesses in this advertisement. In this video we will discuss some rules for upgradation of posts, and in the second half of we will discuss weakness of advertisement. We start with the first part of that video, that is the service rules for upgradation of civil servants. According to Civil Servants Act, 1973 Chapter 2. Terms and Conditions of Service of Civil Servants, and in the para of promotion. 1. A civil servant possessing such minimum qualifications as may be prescribed shall be eligible for promotion to a higher post for the time being reserved under the rules for departmental promotion in the service or cadre to which he belongs. 2. A post referred to in subsection 1 may either be a selection post or a non-selection post to which promotion shall be made as may be prescribed. A. In the case of a selection post, on the basis of selection on merit. And B. In the case of a non-selection post, on the basis of seniority cum fitness. The condition of both the articles shows that if these are selection posts, then BPS 17 should not have the required service condition. And if is in the non-selection based post, then the department mentioned the requirement of service on BPS scale. Because these conditions, it is not clear in the advertisement whether these posts have been announced by the Public Service Commission for initial recruitment or seniority base. According to law, only experience and education are required for initial recruitment. For seniority-based non-selection posts, there is a need for department-mentioned requirement of service in the scale. There is an extraordinary condition of 3 years service in BPS 17. For initial recruitment, this condition of BPS 17 is still not applicable in other provinces. As you can see in this advertisement of Punjab Public Service Commission. Here you could also see the advertisement with age relaxation up to 53 years for the scale of BPS 18. And in Balakistan there is only 43 years age relaxation for BPS 18 posts. You can also observe the difference in the selection of subjects for this post. Furthermore, instead of having strong requirements and posts of nursing instructors and clinical instructor from the last several years, the Health Department has not announced the vacancies for nursing lecturers, clinical instructor BPS 17 and above. And another weakness here is that the equivalent degrees to required qualifications are not mentioned, although PNC notified the degree of BSM equivalence to the degree of BSN, which means that the candidates having equivalence degree of BSM will not be given a chance to appear in this examination. I request you to remove the condition of BPS 17 like other provinces, and also announce the posts of nursing lecturers and clinical instructors BPS 17 to promote fair and transparent selection on education base. Many nurses have degree of post RN, BSN, MSN, Masters in Public Health, and still serving as a nursing lecturer on BPS 16 in nursing colleges and serving as charge nurse BPS 16 in hospitals. According to Pakistan Nursing Council, PNC, criteria for educational institutions, there should be at least one faculty having a master's degree, but in the above said advertisement, there is no chance for those who have a master's degree. And there should be age relaxation for those who are in service and serve as nursing instructors in different nursing colleges on BPS 16. Grade 18 and above posts will be filled by promotion or direct recruitment in accordance with the procedure laid down in the Civil Servants Appointment, Promotion, and Transfer Rules, 1973.